Welcome students, hope you are doing well. Today we will solve page number 69, that is fun page. Question number 1, write the missing letters to complete these words. The first word is earthworm and we will write here E A R T H W O R M, earthworm. The next word is tapeworm, T A P E W O R M, tapeworm. The third word is soil, S O I L, soil. The missing letter R O N I. The third word is bedrock. Here we will write E P E D, bed, R O C K, bedrock. And the next is topsoil. Here the missing letter is O and the next is soil, O I L, soil. And the last word is nutrients and the missing letters are U I E, N U T R I E N T S, nutrients. Now we will move towards the next question, question number 2, water crossword. Now we will find out the one word answers after reading these statements and will put such answers into the down columns and the rows. The first statement is lighter than fog. This is when clouds form very close to the ground and the air is full of tiny droplets of water vapor, and the answer is mist. We will write mist into the column number 1, mist. Basically, mist is slightly different from the fog. How? Mist is lighter than the fog. Fog basically is the dense or thick cloud of the water vapors as compared to the mist, and we can see mist in winter on the surface of the windows. The next statement, when water vapor condenses into droplets of water, you can see on the ground and other surfaces after a cold night. Water vapors means gaseous state of water changes into liquid state, and the answer is dew. And we will write dew in column number 2, dew. Basically, in cold night, the dew is the water vapors that condenses into water droplets, and we can see these drop on the surface of the grass and on the surface of the leaves of the trees or plants. The next statement, water falling from clouds in the sky, and the answer is rain. Rain falling on the earth in the form of water, tiny water drops. Statement number 4, when warm air contains lots of water vapor, it feels sticky and humid. We will write humid in column number 4, humid, H-U-M-I-D, humid. Such type of air, warm air with lots of water vapor or humidity blows mostly in July and August in Pakistan. The next statement, thick cloud that has formed very close to the ground, and the answer is fog. Fog basically is thicker than the mist, and mist is lighter than the fog. And we will write fog in column number 5, fog. Now we will solve the across statement. The first statement is soft ice crystals that fall from the sky. Soft ice crystals of water vapors together form a snow. and the answer is snow. We will write in row number 1, SNOW, snow. The next statement, when the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius and freezes, the water vapor that is covering the ground and other surfaces, and the answer is frost. We write in row number 2, frost, FROST, frost. Statement number 4, hard crystals like stones made of ice that fall from the sky when it is cold, and the answer is hail, HAIL, hail. The opposite of hot is cold, COLD, cold. Basically, when water vapors convert into soft ice crystals, then they form snow. But when these vapors convert into hard crystals due to the change of the temperature, then the hails are formed. Same like that, when water vapors convert into the liquid drops, and we can see these drops on the surface of plants, leaves and other surfaces, then these water drops are known as the dew. But when these water vapors freezes and they form tiny crystals of ice, and we can see these ice also on the leaves of the plants, then these water vapors are known as the frost. These are the basic difference between the dew and frost. Okay students, hope so you will understand. Thank you for listening.